How to clear Instagram search suggestions when typing. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, sometimes Instagram, when you want to do a search and you start typing, it will give you some suggestions that might be relevant or non-relevant to you. And in order for you to get rid of these suggestions that sometimes might be annoying, you can simply follow some steps and you will be able to get rid of them. So what you will need to do is when you open up your Instagram app, you can simply click on the profile picture at the bottom right and then click on the three lines at the top right corner, and from the given list click on your activity. Once you are here, you will need to scroll down till you find a section that says how you use Instagram, this one right here, from which you want to click on recent searches, which will open up this page that have all of the recent searches that might be affecting your uh, Instagram search suggestions when you are typing. So what you need to do here right here is you can simply delete some of them by clicking on the X icon next to them, or you can just clear all of them at once. As you can see, this is the first step. Now the second step is to go back to your profile page and then click on the three lines at the top right again, and this time from this list you need to click on settings and privacy. Once this page has been opened, you need to scroll down till you find a section that says more info and support, and from which you need to click on help, and here click on report a problem. Click on report a problem to continue. Here click on include and continue. And basically what you need to do right here is you need to ask Instagram to disable the search suggestions when you are typing, as they are annoying, or give them your specific reasons as to why you want to get rid of them. You can even include a screenshot, and once you do that, click on the send button at the top right corner, and after a while they will get back to you to solve your problem. This is all what you can do as of right now. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete the Instagram search suggestions when you are typing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.